I'm Buff with Severna Sew & Vac, located at 550 Baltimore Annapolis Boulevard in Severna Park. Our phone number is 410-975-0058, and you can reach us on the internet at www.sovac.com. We're a Janome outlet store. We have the Janome Top Stitch Award, which gives us the outlet logo, and a lot of machines that you can purchase at outlet prices, which means that we actually have prices that are lower than the internet and lower than other stores sell machines for in their bricks and mortar locations. We have embroidery machines, we have sergers, we have a variety of machines in stock, all at discount pricing. Again, we're an outlet center, so if you're looking for a specific Janome model, then give us a call. If we don't have it, we'll order one in from our warehouse if there's any available to us, and do the best job we can to get you a Janome sewing machine at a good price. Again, we're www.sovac.com. We are a Janome outlet store. Our address is 550 Baltimore Annapolis Boulevard in Severna Park, and you can reach us by phone at 410-975-0058. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next video.